Hello, my name is Cecelie Reid. Everybody calls me Tasha, and my current job is Director of Software Engineering at Lexis Nexis Risk Solutions Group. As far as the skills that you would need, I would suggest being a technical background, not just a pure leadership one. This will help you establish a rapport with your peers and also with your staff, and also with senior leadership that may be above you. Also, from a technical background, you will need to have a bachelor's degree. You will need to be someone that has an understanding of data, its behaviors, and also how to manipulate data. And also on that note, you would need to have a programming background or some understanding of programming techniques, terminology, use cases, because not only you use some tools, to help manipulate the data, sometimes you will need to make the tool yourself. And it's also important to understand why a tool behaves the way it does. The job would be suitable for anybody, I'll be honest, as long as you have a desire to sort of break things apart, put them back together, get to the root of issues, and you have an understanding that you cannot sort of gloss your way over. You have to really understand the way that the data works, the way that it operates, what it's doing, and how it's doing it. So being creative and thinking out of the box is super important. As long as you have these attributes, you can work well in a group. You can also work well independently. There's going to be a lot of time. There will be some times where you're in a group setting. There's going to be a lot of time when you're by yourself. And the expectation is that you are part of a puzzle. And whenever your puzzle piece is done, it fits seamlessly in the entire masterpiece that you're creating. There you go. Those are the challenges. Maybe if you are leaning towards technology, you work great independently. It may be working in a group setting that is sort of a challenge, but in all honesty, as long as you do a few things, you produce high quality work, you truly care about your customers, both internal and external, and you're good at communicating, that's it. That's it. You got it. It's in the bag. It's all yours. I have a little bit of advice, which is there are some things that I would suggest to anybody to do. Number one, you need to get a mentor, not your boss. Your boss can be your mentor, but you need another one too. Somebody who's in a position where you want to go to that's a few steps ahead. So find somebody you can really get some sound and bounce some ideas off of, because they've already been through it, and because they're not your direct supervisor, they won't be biased at all, or potentially give you some advice that may not necessarily fit what your in-career goals are. Most important tip, if you do pick this career or any other career, make sure that it's something that you like doing.